made up of Lego. This is Central Station, Stockholm.
So these are Jordan shoes. Exclusive shoes. रेड वाला अच्छा लग रहा है.
This is my first Jordan item. This I bought from Foot Locker store and it cost me $2.99 SEK. My wife bought this item from Body Shop. Starting from left, it's banana conditioner, banana shampoo, tea tree face wash, mango yogurt moisturizer, lip balm, and total cost is $472.5 SEK. My wife bought this item from Allen City. I cannot explain much, but all female viewers can see or can recognize what these are. And that's the cost. And that's the last item. So the total is 1146. Hi guys, good morning. A beautiful morning in Stockholm. Snowfall happened last night, and what a beautiful car in the snowfall. That's Audi TT in orange color. Hi guys, today again I am going to Baka Bay and I have found the easiest way to go. Just drop down at Akala metro station and take a bus number 567 and I'll show you how to go there. So that's the escalator. After getting down from train, you have to go up. So here on escalator, if you are not walking on the escalator, just stand on the right hand side, and the people who are in hurry, they can walk from the left hand side. That's why everybody is standing on right hand side. So I'm out of the Akala metro station and that's the bus stand. So when you are coming out of the station, you have to go left, and here is the bus number also. It's 567 Jokoburg station, 10:41 in the morning. So that bus I have to take, and that's the bus stop. So here the good thing is, in one location you will find train, bus. So guys, that's the bus that I have to catch to go to Baka Bay. Let's go in. So that's the stop. I have to get down. That's INNdiA and that's McDonald's over there. Quality, Stockholm quality outlet. How big this showroom is. There can be 2 more floors above this, and this is a stadium outlet, so you can find many of the brand here. Let's check out. $40 to 70% off. It's Black Weekend. Today is Saturday. Hi guys, now I will show you what I bought from Black Friday weekend. So today is Saturday. I bought a Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. That's my wife's t-shirt that cost me 99 SEK. So these two Puma shoes I bought. So this one is 355 SEK and that one is 325 SEK. These two are ladies' shoes, one for my wife and one for her sister. Both are same. So price of these shoes are 370 each, 370 SEK. This jacket is for my wife. This cost me 845 SEK. This is my jacket, guys, with Ferrari logo on it. Very lightweight. 940 SEK. This is
मस्त है ना.
Ja, 200 bateri. Det kostar 200.
Street shopping at Sweden. सफाई तो है। Hey guys, this I bought from Claes Ohlson. Some Christmas decoration, quilt cover, double bed, 1 star, and camera lens for mobile. And all item cost is 801.28 SEK. 2 kids jacket from Next, 810 SEK. I bought 1 t-shirt and 2 shirts from New Yorker, and total cost is 466 SEK. 2 ladies handbag, 748.50. So guys, remember one thing while shopping in Sweden, if you are not from Sweden. So while billing you have to explicitly ask tax free on items. So they will provide you a separate form. This is one of the form given by Body Shop. And someone give you electronic tax free receipt. So that you have to show while leaving Sweden at airport, and they will refund the amount which is mentioned in the tax-free receipt.